Imagine a policy that could drastically transform your financial stability as a present. The Senator JD Vance proposal to increase the child tax credit CTC to the $5,000 per child. That could be the game changer for in 2024. If it passed, it promises to benefit millions of the families across the United States. But who will qualify? And what makes this proposal different from the exciting credits? So stick around as we uncover everything you need to know from the eligibility to the potential payment timelines. And you can see that this information I am providing you from from this website that's popping on your device screen. And you can see here the website name, and I provide you always the such kind of real information on this my YouTube channel. So I want to ask you that if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe it and smash on the like button and share this information with someone else who might benefit from from this. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first to discuss that what is JD Vance's proposal. In 2024, the Senator JD Vance has proposed increasing the CDC from the $2,000 to the $5,000 per child. That is amazing, and aiming to make family life more affordable. Unlike the current debt credits, and which phases out for the higher income families, and the Vance's plans might eliminate income caps and potentially offering the universal eligibility. So, if passed, this proposal could provide a full refundability, meaning the families could receive a full credit even if it exceeds their tax bill. So, could this proposal be the biggest financial relief for the families in decades? So, let's talk about the eligibility criteria. The proposal targets all the United States families with the children aged 0 to 17, and while the details are still pending, and the key changes may include. And the first is that the no income caps. Unlike the current CDC, the Vences variant may allow families for all the income levels to the benefits. And the second is that the full refundability ensures the families with a little or no tax liability receive the credit. So the question is that how will the families will gonna benefit? Here's how the $5,000 could make a difference. And the first is that the single income families. Let's talk about that. A parent with two children could receive $10,000, easing financial pressure. So let's talk about the middle income families. The families earning at $1 lakh annually might now receive the full credit instead of the reduced amount. And the third is that the higher income households, the previously excluded families with the multiple children, could finally benefit. So, are you wondering how this compares to the exciting existing $2,000 credit? So let's dive deeper. The proposal is still pending and the congressional approval, and the meaning its implementation is uncertain. So, if approved by the early 2024, the families could see the credit reflected in their 2024 tax return, and with the payment arriving in early 2025. So let's discuss about the pros and the cons of this information and of this bill. So let's discuss about the pros. And the number one is that it increased the financial support for the families, and the second is that the universally inclusive and the potentially benefiting millions. So the last but not least, it stimulates local economies through the increased spending. Now let's move on the cons. It's number one is that the higher government spending, and the number two is that the delayed implementation due to the legislative hurdles, and the third is that the possible tax code complexities. So, is this a financial revolution families have been waiting for, or a policy bagged down in politics? So, why is this important? The $5,000 tax credit could not only ease financial burdens for the families, but also significantly reduce the child poverty. And a similar expansion in 2021 lifted 3 million children out of the poverty, and that's demonstrating the transformative impact of the such initiatives. So that's all pretty much information I have provided you. And if you have not subscribed to YouTube channel, please just subscribe it. And that's all for today update. In the next video, we will meet again. Until then, take care of yourself.